So in this video, I'll show you how to equip different horses in Where Winds Meet. Now, if you've previously snatched a horse or even gone through the process of capturing your own horse and you want to make it your default, this is what you're going to do. You're going to navigate to the menu and then select Appearance. And then under Appearance, you want to switch to Mounts. From here, select Horse and then switch through the different mounts that are currently available and find one that suits your preferences. So the one that you're currently seeing on my screen is the one that is equipped. And if you see a different horse on your screen, that's the current one that's been equipped. So all you need to do is simply select a different horse, like for example this one, or even this one. And once you've successfully selected your chosen horse or your chosen mount, you can always just exit out of this menu. And now your previous mount will disappear and the one that you've just set as your default will reappear. Bear in mind, different horses come with different strengths and skills. So based off of the quest that you're currently going towards or whatever task that you want to do, ensure that you read the information about the horse before you decide to switch, as switching can cause some issues to appear whenever it comes to your fights. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.